So originally we had this as the robot that we built, and for those who like to hear robot, we had issues with this where we found that the robot, when going in a straight line, was wobbling, and we thought it was because of the large wheels. And what we did was, okay, we then added two wheels to the robot, thus making it more wider. And it did help a little bit in going straight, but still it had a little bit of wobbliness when it moved. As we went further trying to find out what could be wrong, we realized that the reason for this wobbliness was because of this metal ball which had a friction. The robo is driven with the wheels on the back, and in the front there are no wheels. So as the pressure on the motors drives there is an initial jerk, very minor, I'm just exaggerating it, and that would cause a first deviation. Then as it moves, because the ball is touching the socket, at certain points in its movement it doesn't spin smoothly, thus it stops, and then it moves again, it stops, causing this to happen. The way we have solved this is, if you look under, you would find that there are two wheels here. So now it becomes like a car where you have wheels in the back and wheels in the front. But these wheels are not having any threads on it, so it's smooth. Thus, if you look from under, you would find that as the robo moves, these wheels are in contact with the mat and the wheels are rotating. Now what it does is, it keeps the robo stable, and as it moves, even if the ball stops, those wheels are kind of giving it a straight movement. So once again, here is a close-up of those two wheels. They are just added here to the chassis under. And then we took out the two extra wheels. We're back to the original design, and the robo moves straight. Let's run it and do a test. So I turn on the robo. Let's do the carrier mission on this. So I'm turning on the robo. So as you can see that we are back to the original. We're back to the original design, and the robo is now skinnier, and I'm waiting for it to start up. We'll run the carriers and the pickup of the loop because it's going on a straight line. So if you can come from there and shoot the video from the diagonal angle, you will be able to see if the robo goes straight. Okay? And now here is the carriers. You notice that it is straight. Let me rerun it again just so that you can see that any number of runs you do it, it still will move in an absolutely straight path. Third time. And that's it. That's how we solve the problem.